What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vick Almighty. Today we're going to be taking care of the Rare Air Jordan 3s. Now I personally wore these for a good 30 days straight. In the beginning, I love this sneaker. It's a clean colorway, clean shape, but I did literally wear these every single day. I'm to the point where I never want to wear the shoe again. Clean colorway, but I'm over them. Now most people that own Jordans never get them to this point, but we want to show you guys that our Rejuvenator products are capable of taking care of light wear or heavy wear like these. So let's get to work. Now for before and after purposes, I'm going to take out the left shoe and just focus on the right. Next, I'm going to take out the shoelace and insole to clean those up separately. Now for this cleaning, I am going to be using our Rejuvenator Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit. In my opinion, even how dirty the shoe is, it doesn't have to go in the washing machine. It's black leather, black sock liner. At the end of this, I could get it cleaned up without it. But Prepper is going to play a big part, making it a lot easier to clean up the shoe. I'm going to go next door and use the compressor. Everybody doesn't have a compressor at home. What I recommend is going to a car wash and using their free one. Let's go next door. All right guys, much better. A lot of that debris came out of the shoe. Even on the outside of the sneaker, there was a ton of surface dust that wiped right off. As you can see in the light color suede, even the darker suede on the front, it's pretty stained up. Even the tongue, all of that's gotta come out. The rest of the shoe is pretty bent up. There's a ton of creasing on the toe box. Even the overall shoe is out of shape. I'm gonna fix that using our shoe tree, 4-ounce bottle of solution, and a towel. We're also gonna be using a matte dry rack and bowl combo to get this cleaning done. Already looking a lot better. Next, I'm gonna grab our solution, squirt 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. 2 is all you need. For every cleaning, you always want to start with a soft bristle brush. It's the best brush for the uppers to break down the dirt fastest. It also creates the most suds, and it's the most gentlest of all materials, so you won't damage anything. All right, so far so good. Half of the cleaning is already done on the uppers. As you can see, the black is looking great. On the blue, there is no bleeding at all, so it's not a material to watch out for. On the lighter color suede, it's cleaning up nicely. So you can see on the other side, it's all stained up. Just with a good circular motion, using the soft bristle brush, it's cleaning up nicely. Let's finish it up. Good to go with the soft bristle brush. While I'm still using this brush, I'm gonna take care of the insole real quick. Honestly, it's not too bad, but I'm still gonna give it a good pass over, then afterwards put it in the washing machine to give it a full deep clean all around. Next brush, medium bristle. For this brush, I'll be going over the entire midsole, the back tab, and I think that's it. Leather looks good, suede all around looks good. I don't need to give it a second pass over. As you're using the medium bristle brush, you definitely want to focus on the areas you're trying to clean, but if the bristles do touch the suede or other areas in the shoe, don't worry about it. The medium bristles are not going to damage those areas. Another one down. Final brush we'll be using is a stiff bristle. 2 parts need to get cleaned up, the sole and the toe cap. I want to stay away from the leather because it can scratch it, and for the suede, it can get really fuzzy. Good to go with the stiff bristle brush, did a great job. Here and there's still a couple of marks. Instead, I'm just gonna grab the towel, dip it in the solution, and use my thumb to scrub it off. All right, that's gonna be it for the cleaning on these shoes. All that's left to do is clean up this shoelace. I'm gonna put the shoelace and the insole in the washing machine. That'll really clean it up. All right, put this in the wash and this outside to dry. To complete the cleaning process on this, we're gonna be using the washing machine with our brand new Rejuvenator laundry sheets. All you need is half a sheet to get a good cleaning. Comes with 16, let's put them in. Jesus. Wash with a piece of shit, Steve. When it comes to drying your shoes, you always want to air dry. Either put them next to a fan or outside, just keep an eye on them. Or if you live in Arizona, keep them away from the sun. You don't want them to separate. Sneaker's all cleaned up, let it dry for a good 25 minutes outside. Overall, it looks great. The sneaker is reshaped nicely. All the stains that were all around the light color suede, specifically on the tongue or the back panel, came out nicely. Soles look great. Now off the rip though, I do see a couple of issues. For one, there's some loose threads all around. There is a couple of marks left on the sole. When I was wearing these, I was wearing them when I was painting sneakers. So there's a couple of white dots from the airbrush I want to take care of. The biggest thing though is whenever you clean up a sneaker that contains suede, it always gets rough and loses its original soft texture. The only way to bring it back is by either using the brass bristle brush or medium bristle brush. The brass bristle brush is for extreme cases. In this specific case, the suede isn't too rough, so the medium bristle should do just fine. I'm gonna go in a circular motion all around. I don't have to worry about the bristles touching the leather. It won't damage it. Much better. Suede is back to buttery soft. For the blue, I don't have to worry about it. It's a different texture. That doesn't go rough. Next, I'm gonna grab some scissors and take care of some details. There's some loose threads all around. It's minor, but it's something you wanna do. You never see a brand new shoe with loose threads all around. To finish up this cleaning, I'm gonna bust out a Rejuvenator wipe. I must have hit something on the toe cap. There's some pink markings right here on the side. I mentioned there's some paint on the toe box. You can barely see it, but it's there. I'm gonna try to remove it with the wipe before using some paint. I don't wanna go too hard. If I do, there's a possible chance I could remove the factory finish or create a scuff, making it way more noticeable. So you got a smooth side and a texture side. For the texture, I'm gonna use it on the toe cap. All right, wipe did not work. I didn't wanna scrub too hard. Black paint, it is. I'll be using Angelus and a small detail brush. Check out how easy this is. Done. All right, that was legit the fastest paint job in the world. All that's left to do is put the insole and lace it up. All right guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full cleaning on the Rare Air 3s. This is one of those shoes that you should have no issue cleaning up. This shoe just came out, so I didn't put it in the washing machine. It would be overkill, but down the line, if you guys are working on a sneaker that's completely beat, has an odor, you definitely can put it in the washing machine. You'll have no issues at all. All you gotta do afterwards is reset the nap on the suede. Now they also released the Rare Air 4s that looks almost exactly like this shoe. I was about to say follow these steps when cleaning up that sneaker. However, that shoe's a little bit different. Contains black nubuck and different materials. If you guys want us to do a full video on how to clean up that sneaker, let us know down below. We'll happily do it. Now this shoe turned out great. It looks almost brand new, and that's thanks to a couple different things. We use the absolute best, and that's Rejuvenator. All 3 brushes were needed. Our 4-ounce bottle solution worked wonders. And of course, the shoe tree reshaped the entire sneaker. All our Rejuvenator products came into play to bringing the shoe back to life. Also, prep work is key, you guys. Take your time doing that step on any cleaning. It's gonna make a world of a difference. You can find all the products at rejuvenator.com. Use promo code RARE20 to save 20% on your next order. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it educational. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.